Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be our Sunday morning look at that mile-long stretch of beach at Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park in North Naples, Florida. It is absolutely glorious out here right now. The temperature is about 74 degrees. The water temperature is 77 degrees. The water's pretty darn calm and looking good. The tide's on its way in here. Sunny skies, lots of blue sky. That beautiful mile-long beach just waiting for you to put your toes in it. And that warm Florida sunshine is shining down upon me. Hit that share button if you're liking what you're seeing. I wish you were here walking the beach with me. Hey, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples. Check out their website, boatnaples.com. Lots of fun tours, sunrise, sunset, dolphin watching, eco tours. And give them a call. Ask about our Southwest Florida Television sunset cruise. We do those on Thursday evening. You have to call to get on board with us. Call that number on your screen. Complimentary beer and wine. Slancha Irish Whiskey Sunset Toast. A lot of fun, great people. BoatNaples.com. That water's looking great. Looking great, and it feels great. Vanderbilt Beach down there to the south of us. I had a really nice walk up here this morning. My foot's still a little sore. I'm kind of taking it easy, but I want to say thank you to everyone with the well wishes and prayers and concern. You are an awesome beach family. So, the park. What's going on at the park? Well, according to the latest little piece of news that came out from friends at Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park, the friends of Delnor-Wiggins, the rangers are working away on the interior of the park. The contractors are working on getting all the underground working, cleaned out and working, the new electric lines, sewer, water lines, cable, all that kind of stuff. That has to go in first. Then the next step is going to be new paving. I'm guessing they'll probably have to repave the road, getting you up to parking lots 3 and 4, repave parking lots 3 and 4, and get them open. That's the next thing on the list. When is that going to happen? I don't know. But I know that's the plan. So that's good news. We'll have some more parking sometime over the summer here. It's going to be a while though before the facilities are in, the restrooms and showers and all that good stuff. They said it could be 3 years for everything to get finished. Hey, good things come to those that wait. It's going to be beautiful. Looking forward to it. And in the meantime, we still have this beautiful beach to walk on and enjoy that gorgeous water. It is going to be an incredible beach day here today in North Naples. Sunny skies are going to prevail throughout the day. I know you're wishing you were here. I wish you were here. Hit that share button. Let your friends see how beautiful it is there. Hey, if you come to the park this summer, please be honest. Do the right thing and pay your entrance fees. So many people are skipping out on not paying here because now that we're on the honor system, it's a shame. Put your $2 in, your $6, whatever. Be honest. How can the park rebuild without funds? Also join Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. Follow them on Facebook. They'll keep you updated. If you join, if you become a member of the Friends, you'll get regular emails. Keep you posted on what's going on. I'm not the news. I just share with you what I see and what I hear in conversation. I'm just a guy that loves the beach. That's what Southwest Florida television is all about. The beach and bringing awesome people just like you together, one beach walk at a time. Get my feet in that water one last time. It is gorgeous. Oh, that blue sky. That feels so good. I know you wish you were here. All right, my friends, that's going to do it for our little stroll on the beach on a beautiful Sunday morning in North Naples, Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. Check out some of my other videos from today. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho. Tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your life. And God bless our wonderful country. God bless America. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.